Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, you all are healthy and safe. So with this wish, let's start today's activity. For doing today's activity, we need only three materials, very simple materials, easily available. One is pen. You can also take pencil, pen or pencil. Next, you need an empty matchbox. It should be empty. And third is a 1 rupee coin. So for doing this activity, open this matchbox. So on opposite side, keep a coin like this. We will insert this box along with the coin in this cover. Now our matchbox is ready. Coin in between cover and box of the matchbox. So you can challenge anybody, remove the coin from this matchbox by using this pen, and bet is that you can only hit the matchbox and nothing else. So how will you do it? Any guesses? Okay, for doing this, we will take pen, or if you are using a pencil, use blunt end of the pencil. First, hold the matchbox vertically in your left hand, and now you have to hit the top end of this matchbox with this pen lightly, not hardly, but you have to hit it lightly. And while hitting this end, you make sure that your pen or pencil simultaneously tap at both the corners of this matchbox top. So how to do it? Let's watch. What we have to do, we have to tap it very lightly. Okay. So you see the coin emerges at the top of this matchbox. What is reason behind it? Can you guess? Yes, this is based on Newton's third law of motion, and it is very easy activity to demonstrate Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is always an equal and opposite reaction. When I was hitting at the top of the matchbox, a force was exerting downwards, but in the reaction, an opposite and equal force was pushing this coin upward, and it comes out of this matchbox. It was all about today's video, and meet you in next video with new activity, new idea. Till then, goodbye, stay alert, stay safe.